Fine-tuning your skills, mastering the art of improvement. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase in the English language: fine-tune something. Whether you're learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or working on a project, understanding how to fine-tune your skills or work can be a game changer. So, let's explore what it means to fine-tune something and how you can apply this concept in various aspects of learning and improvement. To fine-tune something means to make small adjustments to something in order to improve it. It's about refining or perfecting an already good situation or product by making minor changes. Think of it as adjusting the knobs on a radio to get a clearer signal. You're not changing the station, you're just making the sound clearer and more pleasant to listen to. Let's look at some examples to understand how to apply fine-tuning in real life. In language learning, after reaching an intermediate level in English, you might fine-tune your pronunciation by practicing specific sounds that are difficult for speakers of your native language. In cooking, a chef might fine-tune a recipe by adjusting the amount of spices to achieve the perfect flavor balance. In sports, an athlete could fine-tune their technique, like the way they swing a tennis racket, to improve their game performance. These examples show that fine-tuning is about paying attention to the details that make a big difference in the overall quality or performance. Fine-tuning is crucial because it focuses on continuous improvement. It's not about making something from scratch but improving something that already works well. This approach can lead to higher quality outcomes. Small adjustments can significantly enhance the quality of your work or skills. Increased efficiency. Fine-tuning often makes processes smoother and more efficient. Personal growth. The process of fine-tuning encourages a mindset of lifelong learning and self-improvement. Fine-tuning something is a powerful concept in both personal and professional development. It reminds us that greatness often lies in the details and that continuous improvement can lead to excellence. Whether you're learning English or perfecting a craft, remember that the journey to mastery is filled with many small adjustments. We hope this video has inspired you to look for opportunities to fine-tune your own skills and projects. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.